So I'm back again with the 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and last week I showed you how to replace the front lower control arms. Now I'm going to show you how to replace the rear lower control arms. We first need to jack up the rear end and support the frame with jack stands just behind the lower control arm bracket. Then rest the axle on another set of jack stands, which will prevent the axle from shifting once we disconnect our lower control arm bolts. With the wheels off, you have better access to the fasteners on the lower control arm. This is the frame side and this is the axle side. Make sure you're wearing your safety glasses. You'll need to use a 21mm wrench with a 21mm socket for removal. As with anything, you want to check and make sure your parts are identical and the same length. This style of control arm is often referred to as a link or a trailing arm, and its job is to keep the axle in proper alignment with the vehicle while allowing it to move up and down freely, which eliminates the need for leaf springs. Installation is reversive removal. Just make sure you install the lower arms with this relief cut closest to the axle. We're going to thread the nuts on by hand and then go replace the opposite lower control arm the exact same way. So now that we have both lower control arms installed, we're going to remove the jack stands holding up the body and let the weight of the vehicle rest on the axle, which simulates ride height and sets preload for the bushing so they don't wear prematurely. And then we'll tighten the fasteners to spec. So that's how you replace the rear lower control arms on the ZJ model Grand Cherokee. I'll leave a link to the front lower control arm replacement video in the description below, and until next time, y'all stay tuned.